If you're looking to rank both long-form and short-form content, you've come to the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use SEO tools to help boost your rankings, whether you're working on a detailed blog post or a shorter social media update. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know the tools and tricks that can take your content to the next level. First, let's talk about keyword research. No matter the content length, you need to start by targeting the right keywords. For long-form content, tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush will give you in-depth keyword analysis, suggesting long-tail phrases that can drive traffic. Short-form content, like tweets or Instagram posts, needs a different approach. Here, use tools like Ubersuggest to find high-ranking, low-competition keywords that fit within the character limit. Focus on phrases that are relevant and concise, but still searchable. This is crucial for getting your content in front of the right audience. Next, optimize your on-page SEO. For long-form content, use tools like Surfer SEO or Yoast to ensure your article is fully optimized. These tools analyze your content and compare it to top-ranking pages, giving you an SEO score. They'll suggest changes to headings, meta descriptions, and keyword density, helping you hit all the right SEO metrics. For short-form content, keep it snappy but impactful. Use tools like the Rank Math plugin for WordPress to optimize titles and meta descriptions for quicker posts. They'll help ensure you're ticking the boxes for search engines in a minimal amount of space. But here's the kicker. It's all about internal linking and external backlinks. SEO tools like Ahrefs and Moz can analyze your website to find opportunities for linking between your long-form content and other related posts. For short-form content, link to your longer content within your profile or bio to drive traffic to your more substantial pieces. This simple action can significantly increase your chances of ranking higher across the board. Content readability also plays a major role in rankings. With long-form content, use tools like Grammarly or Hemingway Editor to make sure your text is easy to read. These tools will highlight passive voice, readability issues, and complex sentences, helping keep your readers engaged and improving your rankings. For short-form content, a quick tool like Yoast SEO's readability analysis ensures your message is clear and concise. Now, before we wrap up, let me give you a key takeaway. Using the right SEO tools isn't about one-size-fitting-all. Long-form content requires tools that dive deep into keyword research and technical SEO, while short-form content needs a focus on relevance and engagement. The main tools I recommend will help you rank both types of content by focusing on keywords, optimizing on-page SEO, adding strategic backlinks, and maintaining readability. To recap, we covered keyword research for both long and short-form content, optimizing your on-page SEO with the right tools, the importance of backlinks and internal linking, and making sure your content is readable for your audience. One last reminder, I highly recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.